Here is latest customer's touch mark. Really nice design. Says Warrior Woods Forge, if you can read that backwards, and has a Templar cross in the middle of that. So yeah, I'm going to heat up my forge and give it a try, make sure it works well, and then I'll show you the result. Great. I'll cool it off, and then I don't think I'll be able to get in on it now. Won't probably focus, but I'll let me cool it down, and then I'll show you guys better. Okay, there it is. Came out very nice. The lettering is very small, but it still has enough clarity to be read clearly. On the top you can see touch marks from previous videos. I really enjoy seeing different designs and then seeing those touch mark designs materialize through the work of the engraver, who, you know, just does obviously very nice work. You know, you can imagine having you know, after you've made a nice item and then having your mark on it, something like that would really make it, you know, give it that finishing touch. This hammer is my latest work for a customer. It's a very large, this is almost a 5-pound double-faced hammer. Very difficult for me to make this because of being so tall. I actually had to drill 2 pilot holes. You know, there's no way I could punch through this such a tall piece without having those. So, and you can see by comparison, this is my own double-faced hammer, which is 3 pounds. So, you know, you can see quite a difference in the size. So, yeah, I'm really pleased with the way this came out. It's a nice hammer. Should work well for the customer. Hopefully he'll be pleased. I hope he's got a strong arm. I haven't had a lot of time of late to create any substantial content, but that should change soon. Go to my website, gstongs.com, and thanks for watching.